Hello everyone, today we have this Swish. It's an app on Android. First, we activate the hotspot on our mobile. We go back to Swish and press the play button. Now we should have a link that should look like this one. Before we go to PC and connect to the app, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Now on our PC, we connect to our mobile hotspot. Now we are connected. We go to any browser we like and paste that link we got from the app. We go to the desired file we want to download. Press on the download button up on the right. Start download. And as you notice, we have a speed of average of 4 megabytes per second. This is 1.6 gigabyte file. If we divide it by 4 megabytes per second, we got 400 seconds, which is approximately 7 minutes. So it's the fastest way to transfer your files. If you like my videos and felt that it helps you, please subscribe for my channel.